Let me congratulate the graduating class.
It's a $250 billion global industry, and Jamaica wants in a big way. So more than 1,000 young farmers are being trained to tap into the lucrative nutraceutical industry. The Young Nutraceutical Farmers Training Course is being delivered by the National Commission on Science and Technology in partnership with the Jamaica 4-H Clubs and the Scientific Research Council. 53 farmers from across the island have already been trained under the 3-year program. They were engaged in a 2-week intensive entrepreneurial training course that covered nutraceutical plant establishment and processing, basic bio-based laboratory skills, and good agricultural practices.
We are not training only farmers. We are training and we will continue to train entrepreneurs. Persons will be able to transform and improve on traditional agricultural practices to drive commerce, support industry, and strengthen the economy.
Minister of Industry, Commerce and Agriculture Carl Samuda has assured those who've already graduated that they have the ministry's full support as they use their new skills to earn for their families and the country.
I have pledged this throughout the length and breadth of Jamaica. My ministry, which is a combination of business and agriculture, and agribusiness especially, will play its part to facilitate you in every way possible. There can be no problem too great. There can be no activity in which I am engaged that is so pressing that I will not find time to deal with young people who want advice or assistance, especially in the field of agriculture, especially when it is combined with entrepreneurial activities.
The aim of the Young Nutraceutical Farmers Training Course is to build the capacity in different areas of the nutraceutical sector in order to promote the sustainable development of a national industry, one that will create foreign exchange revenue for the farmers and the country.
When one looks at the size of the market that it occupies, there is scope for expansion beyond our wildest dreams. Agriculture offers one of the great opportunities to earn foreign exchange, to make our contribution to the creation of wealth and prosperity for this country.
And from the training, these farmers are now equipped to take the lead, growing and processing nutraceutical plants into viable products while incorporating good agricultural and manufacturing practices. The farmers will be given further support in the form of stipends for internships and seedlings for planting to encourage entrepreneurship.
The SRC, as of July of this year, will commence the rollout of ginger seedlings to the first batch of trainees. So over the next year, we will deliver 2,000 ginger seedlings, high quality, clean tissue culture ginger seedlings to the 31 trainees from the first batch. And I'm sure you'll also be incorporated very soon as well.
Our ministry is the Push Start ministry. We are here to ensure that you don't fail. With hard work and application, you can make it. Become multimillionaires, become large entrepreneurs, starting first at the MSME level.
There are 160 plants known and declared worldwide as having medicinal properties. Of that number, 86 are endemic to Jamaica, a large selection for the farmers to choose from.
So as you consider the crops that you are going to be engaged in, remember that this is just the starting point. The sky is the limit.